Hello, my name is Raheel and I'm the project manager at Brownwood Renovation, and we are the top-notch home renovation and remodeling company. Today, I would like to convey a serious message to all the homeowners who could have turned their unfinished, unutilized basement into a fully functional spaces that could have generated enough income to pay their monthly mortgages. Having said, let us take a little tour to another beautiful project Brownwood Renovation just completed. It is an ADU basement plus in Bradford city. This one turns out absolutely stunning, and I want to take a moment to share why building an investment basement like this one of the smartest decision of homeowner can make. In this particular project, our client actually got their permit 2 years ago but needed a smarter plan. Our architect re-engineered every square feet and optimized the design to meet the current standard and turned this dead space into a legal, high-yield ADU basement plus. At Brownwood Renovation, we did not just build the basement, we reimagined it. We hired a professional architect to redesign the layout, submit a new permit, and made calculated changes that really unlock the value of the space. That's where Brownwood Renovation expertise and hands-on consultation comes in, turning uncertainty into a clear step-by-step roadmap. This upgrade ADU Basement Plus now feature high-quality SPC vinyl flooring with antibacterial underpadding for durability and comfort. A modern kitchen with shaker-style doors designed to attract great tenants. A functional, thoughtfully designed floor plan that maximize rental appeal and rent on the investment. I always tell my clients that this is more than just building a basement. It yields revenue for your lifetime. And you know what is the best part? You don't have to do it alone. We guide you through the entire process from planning to permit and final finishes. We will ensure that you can feel confidence in your decision to invest with Brownwood Renovation, believing that your investment brings the best value for your money, whether you're thinking about a legal basement or cozy rental suite, or even an Airbnb ready space. Your basement has the potential to pay for itself. It is an investment which has paid period of 24 months with very high return on investment. Besides, it increase your property value and resale appeal, and even set you up for long-term finance stability. So if you're sitting on an unused basement and wondering what to do with it, now is the time to act. Give us a call for your consultation. And let's turn your empty space into a powerful source of income and bring your vision and your investment to colorful life. Thanks.